Welcome to Palermo, a city where chaotic beauty, ancient history, and mouth-watering street food collide in the heart of Sicily. Today, we're taking you on a narrated walking tour, from aerial views as we fly in, to Baroque fountains, golden cathedrals, and vibrant piazzas. Whether you're planning your trip or just here for the vibes, buckle up. Palermo is raw, real, and absolutely unforgettable. Let's get into it. To our right, the rugged coastline of Sicily comes into view. Olive groves, terracotta roofs, and distant mountains give us a warm southern welcome. We're flying into Falcone Borsellino Airport, named after two anti-mafia judges who became national heroes after being assassinated in the 1990s. Their legacy shaped modern Palermo, and you'll feel it woven through the city's spirit. Palermo itself is home to over 600,000 people, and it's the capital of Sicily. A city with over 2,700 years of history, from Phoenicians to Normans to the present day. In these final moments of our descent, you'll notice how tightly packed the buildings are, a mix of faded elegance and everyday life. The airport is about 35 kilometers, or 22 miles from the city center. It's a scenic route, but for speed and convenience, we'll take the train into town. We'll show you how in the next chapter. From Punta Raisi station, yes, the airport has its own train stop. The train connects directly to Palermo Centrale, the city's main train station. The ride takes about 50 minutes and costs around €6.80 one way. There is also the Genio Express that only takes 30 minutes. Trains run roughly every 30 minutes, and you can check schedules or book on the official Trenitalia website. The bus costs €6, but can get stuck in traffic and usually takes 50 minutes. Once you arrive at Palermo Centrale, you're already within walking distance of the city's historic heart. Head about a kilometer to the left, and you'll reach the dramatic Fontana PRETORIA. We'll explore that next. It's not just a fountain, it's a local scandal carved in marble. Now we're standing before one of Palermo's most iconic and controversial landmarks, Fontana PRETORIA. Elegant, theatrical, and boldly bare, this 16th century fountain has been raising eyebrows since the day it arrived. Originally designed in Florence, it was transported here in 1574, piece by piece. But once it was reassembled, the reaction wasn't exactly applause. The nudity of the statues, which include gods, nymphs, and mythological figures, clashed hard with Palermo's conservative Catholic values at the time. Locals dubbed it La Fontana della Vergogna, the Fountain of Shame. Some legends even say nuns from the nearby convent used to sneak out and break off body parts with hammers. But over time, scandal turned into civic pride. Today, it's one of Palermo's most photographed spots. Take a moment to walk around its multi-tiered marble basins. Each corner offers a different expression, a twist of motion, a glimpse of Renaissance imagination gone wild. And don't forget to look around the square itself. Directly behind the fountain is Palazzo Pretorio, Palermo's City Hall. To your left, the golden dome of San Giuseppe dei Teatini, and across the piazza, the richly decorated church of Santa Caterina. Inside, you'll find pastel-colored Baroque overload, and if you're lucky, a local nun selling fresh cannoli in the Cloister Cafe. Just steps away from the Fountain of Shame, we reach one of Palermo's most famous crossroads, Quattro Canti, or Four Corners. It's where two major streets intersect, Via Maqueda and Corso Vittorio Emanuele, and it's designed like a living stage set. Each corner is a matching Baroque facade, stacked with statues representing 4 layers of meaning: the 4 seasons, 4 Spanish kings of Sicily, and 4 female patron saints of Palermo. It's symmetry with a side of symbolism. Built in the early 1600s, this octagonal piazza wasn't just for decoration. It was designed to impress and to organize the city's chaotic layout. Think of it as an early version of urban planning, with divine and royal approval. If you stand at the center and turn slowly, the buildings seem to dance around you. The sunlight hits each corner differently throughout the day. So even though all four sides are identical in design, they never feel quite the same. It's a favorite selfie spot, yes, but also a clever fusion of power, faith, and art, Palermo style. We start inside Palermo's mighty cathedral, a place that feels more like a fortress than a church. Built, expanded, and altered over centuries, it blends Arab, Norman, Gothic, and Baroque styles into one glorious mashup. But the real highlight? The rooftop. For €7, you can climb a narrow staircase and reach the terraces, where sweeping views of Palermo unfold beneath you. Domes, red-tiled roofs, and distant hills all framed by ancient stone arches. Piazza San Domenico opens up like a quiet breath in the middle of the busy city. At its center, a towering column honors the Immaculate Conception, while just to the left stands the Church of San Domenico, one of Palermo's grandest. Inside, it's the resting place of important Sicilian figures, including anti-mafia judge Giovanni Falcone. Outside, the square itself has become a kind of memorial space, often adorned with flowers and posters. Now we're standing in front of Teatro Massimo, the largest opera house in Italy and one of the grandest in Europe. Opened in 1897, it was built to showcase Palermo's cultural power. With neoclassical columns and majestic bronze lions, it looks like something out of ancient Rome. Film buffs might recognize it as the dramatic final scene from The Godfather Part 3. Here's the Palazzo di Giustizia, Palermo's massive courthouse and a symbol of justice in a city that's long battled corruption and organized crime. It's not exactly a tourist attraction, but its size and presence are impossible to miss. This is where key mafia trials have taken place, and its heavy architecture reflects that weight. As we see the waterfront, we will soon head to Porta Felice, a monumental city gate built in Renaissance and Baroque styles. But our journey doesn't end here. We'd love to hear from you. Which stop was your favorite? Is there a particular moment that stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning your own visit, we hope this guide has inspired you and made your trip easier to plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Our travel audiobooks are now available. Explore iconic destinations through immersive storytelling and preview a full chapter for free. Tap the link to listen now.